So here we are at the Highway Cafe in Vinita, Oklahoma. We had our breakfast. It was wonderful. My husband's sitting back there. They're getting me a to-go box because there was so much food I couldn't eat all of it. This is a really cool little historical place that we like to visit when we're in Vinita. They have this car here that has stickers all over it. The little video above it showing all the stickers being put on. They broke a record. If you look closely, each one of the stickers are numbered. So again, it's a really cool little place to come eat. Have a great breakfast. All the waitresses are incredibly friendly. Sorry, I didn't mean to spin so fast. It is again on historic Route 66 in Vinita, Oklahoma. They have little signs inside. They have some great memorabilia all the way around the building. And when you come in, they also have these great little things that you can purchase. They've got shirts with their logo on it. They have some more Route 66 memorabilia. You can sign the guest book, and you can purchase some of their coffee mugs and some of the pins. This is actually the 100th year celebration, the centennial celebration of the Mother Road in Oklahoma. So you can also get some of the official Route 66 passports that are really cool. You go in, I actually don't have one, but I don't have it on me. But you can go in and check out all of the places that you visit in that passport and check them off. Sorry, hon, go right on through. I'm interrupting their business. But this is a really great place to eat. We come here often, every time we're in Vinita. So anyway, if you get a chance to check it out, come check out the Highway Cafe on historic Route 66. Can you say hi, ladies? It's for a YouTube video. Yes, I was just, we always come here when we're in town, so I wanted to put out a shout out to you guys because we love it here. So
we love when you guys come in.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.